Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. My name is Mauricio Rodriguez Montaño. Answer to the sentence. 1. Tanya is just uploading some photos to Instagram. 2. I'm sending a message to my mom. 3. Sandra and Marcus are riding horses and the sun is shining. 4. What is happening there? 5. At 10 o'clock, I'm meeting Marcos just for a quick coffee. 6. She's teaching me. 7. I'm revising for my exam tomorrow. 8. We are having a reading time in Taj Mahal. 9. I'm trying on this shirt and pants. 10. Marcos is showing photos on Machu Picchu. Thanks.